Hi there! In today's video, we're going to talk about how ChatGPT can help you improve your website's SEO. Did you know that websites with higher search engine rankings get significantly more traffic? That's why it's important to take advantage of chatbots like ChatGPT to help you achieve your SEO goals. So, what is a chatbot? Simply put, a chatbot is a computer program that can simulate conversation with human users through text or voice commands. It's a powerful tool that can be used in various ways to improve your website's SEO. For instance, you can use chatbots to create optimized web content, research relevant keywords, or analyze website performance. Let's take a closer look at the features and capabilities of one chatbot called ChatGPT. One of the most impressive features of chatbots is their ability to generate high-quality content in a matter of seconds. You can use ChatGPT to generate blog posts, product descriptions, promotional emails, ad copy, or social media captions that are optimized for SEO. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT to research long-tail keywords that can help you rank higher in search engine result pages. You can also use chatbots to analyze your website's performance and identify areas for improvement. Now that you know what a chatbot is and what it can do, let's talk about how to use ChatGPT for website SEO. The first step is to determine your website's target keyword and topics. You can use ChatGPT to generate ideas and topics that are relevant to your niche. Next, you can use ChatGPT to generate content based on those topics, ensuring that it's optimized for SEO. You can also use ChatGPT to generate meta descriptions, titles, and tags that are relevant to your content. The benefits of using chatbots for website SEO are numerous. Firstly, it can save you a lot of time and effort that would otherwise be spent on research and content creation. Secondly, it can improve your website's performance by providing optimized content that's relevant to your audience. Lastly, it can help you increase revenue and sales by improving your website's visibility and search engine ranking. Chatbots like ChatGPT are powerful tools that can help website owners, bloggers, and content creators improve their SEO. They can save time and effort, improve website performance, and increase revenue and sales. We encourage you to try ChatGPT to increase your SEO rankings and share your experiences in the comment section below. Please like and share this video with others who may find it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about ChatGPT SEO. Thanks for watching.